Hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial on insertlearning.com. It's a great tool for teachers to use. It's very interactive for the students. You can take an article or a video, highlight main ideas, insert a question or discussion right on the page. This site is very user-friendly. You do need a Google account for this website. Go to the login and hit sign in with Google. It'll take you to this page. But once you sign up for it, it'll bring you to a different page and it'll ask you if you're a teacher or a student. I clicked that I was a teacher, and then it'll ask you, what subject do you teach? I picked media specialist, and then finally it'll ask you, what grade do you teach? I picked 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. So once you sign in, it'll bring you to your dashboard, which is your home page. Here you can create a new lesson, you can look at your grades, you can look at the classes that you have if you have multiple classes, you can add a new class or update this one. This is your class code, that's how your students will find your articles that you've saved. The public library is a place where you can find other teachers' articles that they've asked their students on. And then you have your resource tab. You can find content, tools to embed, examples, and help center. So if you go back to your lessons, we're going to create a new one. You click new lessons and then you go to search. We're going to search education technology. Current technology issues in the classroom. We're going to click on how technology trends have influenced the classroom. So once your article has loaded, to your left you're going to see your little icon tab. This is choose a lesson template. It'll, again, if you pick one of these, it'll bring you to a different screen and you can again see different examples of people who have already made a lesson plan. So we're going to dismiss. This little tab out over here is going to be your best friend. This is how it is user-friendly. Once you hover over it, it'll tell you what everything means. So this is for when you're done with your whole article. Once you've added a discussion or a sticky note or highlighted whatever, you can hit assign and it'll be in your lesson plans or it'll be in your class once you've assigned it to a specific class. This is your highlight text button. This is your insert a sticky note, insert a question, insert a discussion, and more options. You can again assign to students from here, share with other teachers, edit your lesson info, view as a student, get free months, help and support, and go to dashboard. So we're going to start with the sticky note. If you click under here, this is where you can tell your students what to do. So you can say, highlight things you have questions about in blue, things you found interesting in green, and things that are important in yellow. So those are your directions for this article. Then you come down and you can, once you've read the article, you can highlight. So you click on the highlight tab and you can come down and you can highlight this. And if you can add comments to it. So you can go here, enter a comment, you can add an emoji, and you can change the different, if you thought it was funny, or they can add an emoji to it if they thought it was important. And this little tab is how you change the color. So there's green, blue, and yellow. So there's 3 colors. So then you can come down here and you can hit the insert a question button, and here you can click this and it'll give you questions that are already in here. So you can say, what is a key word, paraphrase, identify the main idea of the text. You can also change your points. Do 5. And there you go. And then you can come down. And you can add a discussion question. And then you can, how has media changed your experience as a student? And there you go. And so that's the end of the article. And once you've done that, you can go over to more options and you can do view as a student. Now, it says you're viewing this as a student. So if you go down, it'll show you what you've added. So there's your directions, there's the highlight, there's a question which you can answer, and there's your discussion question which you also can answer. Then once you're done, you can also go to edit lesson info, and you can change the name of the lesson, you can click a subject area, you can specify what grade it's for, you can type in tags so other people can find it, and then you can list in the public library if you want to share it with your other teachers. You can click cancel, and then you click assign, and then you click the class that you want to assign to. This is the sharing with a teacher button, and this you can copy the link and you can add it to your own website, or if the kids don't have access to your website, then you can email it to them. You click assign and it should say if it's loaded, and then you can come back to your insert learning dashboard, and there it is. And then you click on this, and then it'll show you everything that you did. And that is how you, there it goes. There we go. And that is how you use Insert Learning. Thank you for joining me on my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.